How to download audio from AudioMass. First of all, after you finish editing or creating your audio in AudioMass, you need to go to the top menu and click on File. This menu gives you various options related to your project. Next, in the File drop-down, look for the option labeled Export or Download and click on it. This is the feature that allows you to save your audio file to your computer. Once you click Export or Download, a new window or dialog will appear asking you to choose the audio format and quality settings. You can select the format you prefer, usually WAV or MP3, depending on your needs. After setting your preferred option, click on the Export button to download, and the audio file will start downloading directly to your computer. Make sure to note the folder where the file is saved so you can easily access it later. If you want to rename your file before saving, you can do so in the dialog box, or you can rename the file after downloading it from your computer's download folder. Remember, this process works smoothly with most modern browsers, so if you face any issues, try refreshing the page or using a different browser. And that's it, now you know how to download audio from AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.